Hello everyone, welcome to St. Thomas English Medium School. Today we are going to study in general knowledge. So, our today's first topic is our earth is in trouble, and that is the environment, world and its people. So here some blanks are given and options are given. So we will see what are the correct answers. Number 1, as then dash is increasing, we are constructing taller buildings, factories and roads. This continuous process of building leads to the dash of a large quantities of waste product. So in a first blank answer is industrialization is increasing, okay, and next is disposal leads to the disposal of a large quantities of waste product. Number 2, dash is becoming a major problem as more and more areas in the world are turning into desert. These are not necessarily hot, dry and sandy place, but are area where the dash is now useless for growing. So the first answer is disfertilization and that next answer is soil. Okay. Next, such soil stores less and produces less grain even when there is enough rainfall. So such soil stores less crops, water and produce less grain even when there is enough rainfall. Number 3, since the 1980s, experts have noticed that temperatures are rising around the world. This is called global warming. Number 4, ozone is a naturally occurring gas found in the atmosphere. It absorbs the most of the sun's ultraviolet rays, which are harmful to both our plants and animals' life. It is mostly found in the band called the ozone layer, which lies about 15 to 40 km above the Earth's surface. Certain gases used in some perfumes, air fresheners, and the deodorants contribute to destruction of this layer. Okay, so our next topic is again about the environment, and chapter name is Let Us Save Our Earth. So first is the dash means to prevent and protect the environment and the natural things present in it. So answer is CONSERVATION, conservation. Okay. Next is dash means reprocessing sorry reprocessing our refusing waste material, and that is recycling. Next, number 3, nature effectively recycle into own waste including dead plants and animals. This is helped by the process known as a decomposition. Number 4, nowadays in some parts of world lead free petrol in being used a lot. Number 5, World Wildlife Fund is among the world's largest organizations working for a protection of wildlife and our environment. Number 6, is some other way to save Earth are follows. Number 1, save energy by switching off lights when there is nobody present in a room. Number B, turn off the tap while brushing our teeth. Number C, using a bicycle or prefer to walk instead of using car or a short trip. Number D, do not use harmful bleach or detergent for washing clothes. Number E, prefer a travel in a car pool to school. Our next topic is science and us, and name is Science Today. Number 1, the iPad was launched in 2010 by Apple, a leading computer company. It is a tablet computer that plays video game audio and has thousands of applications. Number 2, MacBook Air launched in 2008 by Apple. It is a very slim laptop as known as notebook. Number 3, Skype allows people to communicate by voice, video, and instant messaging and share photos and videos through the internet. Number 4, as of 2017, China has the highest number of internet users in the world. Facebook and Twitter are among the largest social networking sites in the world. Now, number exercise B. What are they saying? In your own find out book and one more fact to this list. An Ibibo is a robotic dog created by Sony. Computer software was given it abilities to recognize its owner, to respond to his or her call, to sleep, to exercise, to play, and even express fear, joy, surprise, and anger. So, number 2, a humanoid robot is robot that resemble the human body. Occasion is a good example of a modern day humanoid robot. It's completed its first mission in 2016 when it went diving for a treasure in a shipwreck off the coast of France. The depth of 100 meters in the sea. The robot remote controlled and thinks and acts like a human deep sea diver. Okay, so these are the extra knowledge which is given to you. Our next topic is My India, and name is Great Indians in History. So here name is given first of all and some acknowledged things are given, but these are wrong, so we have to that choose a correct, that description is given according to the person. So here is given Razia Sultan is the legendary heroine who fought the British valiantly during the revolt of 1857, also referred by some scholars as Indian First War of Independence. She fought along with Tatia Tope and captured the forts for Gwalior. So Razia Sultan is the wrong answer. Right answer is Rani Lakshmibai. Number 2, the lion capital was erected to the 3rd century BCE by the Tipu Sultan to mark the spot where Lord Buddha delivered his first sermon. So this is the wrong answer. Answer is Emperor Ashoka. Number 3, Chandragupta Maurya, the leader of the International Army, escaped from the house arrest under the British, dressed as a Pathan. So that is wrong. Right answer is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Number 4, a former member of Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement, Sher Shah went on to become the second Prime Minister of India. So Sher Shah is the wrong answer. Right answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Number 5, Emperor Ashoka was nicknamed the Tiger of Mysore and British feared him a lot. He fought several wars against them in the late 18th century CE. So Ashoka is the wrong answer. Right answer is Tipu Sultan. Number 6, the first woman to rule from the throne of Delhi in 13th century CE was Rani Lakshmibai. She was the daughter of Sultan I It's slim. So this is the wrong answer. Right answer is Razia Sultan. Number 7. Kutubuddin Aibak conquered the Bengal in early 1539 CE, and in June of the same year he defeated the Mughal Emperor Humayun in the Battle of Chausa. So this is wrong answer. Right answer is Sher Shah. Number 8. Lal Bahadur Shastri founded the Maratha kingdom in the 17th century CE. Lal Bahadur Shastri is the wrong answer. Right is Shivaji. Number 9. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose depended on his courtier Chanakya for advice. That is wrong. Right answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Number 10. The slave dynasty founded by the Shivaji. He was a slave of Muhammad Ghori and was appointed as a viceroy of Ghori's positions in India. That is wrong. Right answer is Kutubuddin Iqbal. Next is plants and animals. So I have given the answers as you can see in bold letters next to the picture. First one, found mainly in the tributaries of Ganga and Brahmaputra. The main threat to it is the reducing depth of rivers and formation of sandbars. So answer is Gangetic dolphin. Okay. Number 2, once commonly seen in Europe, the Mediterranean region, and the many parts of Asia. This small bird has brown and gray feathers. So right answer is common house sparrow. Next, number 3, it is found in the temperate forests of Himalaya, where it is protected by law. However, its numbers continue to decline mainly due to the habitat loss and the poachings. So, answer is red panda. Number 4, found in Southeast Asia, it has clouded like a pattern on its body. Deforestation and hunting for its pelt has decreased its number to less than 10,000 in the world. So right answer is clouded leopard. Number 5, it resides in the El Albdra atoll in Seychelles. It is a good swimmer and has a lifespan longer than that of any other creature. So right answer is Aldabra tortoise. Okay. Number 6. This primate are found in the tropical forest of Bangladesh, India, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, and Thailand. It is endangered due to the loss of its habitat. And right answer is Babe's leaf monkey. Okay. Next chapter we have about science. Science and us. Let us go into space. So again answers are given next to this. C, F, A, G, H, D, B, E like this. Okay, so you can do the matching like this. Next we have true false according to quiz. The hardest bone in the human body is jawbone. That is true. This can be donated by one person to another. A kidney, blood part of the liver. That is true. The largest and the heaviest internal organ in the human body is the liver. Again, that is true. Number 4, an infant grows in the fastest rate in its second year. That is false. Right answer is an infant grows at the fastest rate in its first year, not in second one. Number 5, the part of the tooth that secure into the jawbone is called the crown. That is fall. It is called the root. Number 6, the pupil in the round dark center of the eye that least light enter it, and that is true. A brain dead person is the one who kept alive by machine which help his or her internal organs to continue to work. That is true. Smoking cause a deadly disease called cancer. True. Our left lung is smaller than the right one to make room for the heart. Therefore, it takes in a less air. True. If a pregnant mother drinks alcohol or smokes, her body will not be harmed. That is false. Smoking and drinking alcohol is a human during pregnancy. That is very, very harmful. Now, I would like to give some homework to you. So, page number 30, 31, 46, 48. These pages are your homework. Thank you.